me say anything more, say anything come out of my mouth. Adapt me set. No boy can shut me up. No boy can program me. Me nah not done. Me done dead. My father dead when me 6 months old.
Yeah. The man them nowadays you are born. Them don't want to work.
Wrong. Everybody powered up. A 10K top still for the color. Appreciate it.
Yo, I never understand. Like, people just be on TikTok, just a money gun, taps and roses. Them not having a conversation. They're just there on the screen, not doing shit. This is not entertaining. I don't know. I guess I'm different, yeah, man.
Oh, the man them nowadays you are born. Them don't want to work. Them born spoil. They were spoil them.
Drop them morals and about them.
You know what spoil them? You know what spoil them? Technology spoil people. Technology.
What technology do to them?
What me technology to
That
them?
may I ask you?
Spoiling. Because them up on phone as you wait.
Look, the thing and the man them are waste on TikTok, see? 6 people have viewed them thing. 6 people. Better have a look at work, though. Am I lying, people? I'm gonna start some fucking. Watch your style.
Cat, wanna send me some team bracelets? Fluffy. Okay, give me some team bracelets, Fluffy, please.
Oh no. Go.
Man, click them on every day for to do that in 100. Yeah, man, every day them click them on me, man. Fluffy, not just start, man. Alright, chat, thank you. Give me some team bracelets, chat, please and thanks. A billion team bracelets, that's all. Give me some team bracelets, please.
I need a whale.
Combo them, yo. Give me, you know what is team bracelets, give me? Combo them, yo. Combo them. What's up? I see if you got the roads.
Watch out.
Combo them, man. Alright, give me. Out of the gallery,
Man, delete my comment. Oh shit, man, mute my comment. You know that. Bumbo clad. Nah, mute my comment. I can't even comment. You know. So it goes still, you know. Boy, totally delete my comment, my youth. My youth, you know my style, dog. And a style, me I try style a thing, but the man them we are play a game if we go look at work. You understand? You know a big rascal, man. I don't know who have pitney from who not have pitney, but when I live on TikTok all time now. School just done. Go pick up on a pitney from school, na dog. Go help on a pitney with him homework, no. Something no dep on bumbuckler TikTok a waste time, brother. And then when no kids grow up and turn Batman and Sodomite are done so. You know want come go on like my youth, you need to come on for TikTok and do something better out in life. You see my boy there in the kitchen a chef up still. I don't know if I'm a chef up for him, you them are. Maybe. I'm just a chef up for himself. Or maybe he's a big girl then, I don't know. You see me him girl work and pay the bills and him there home. You know I wash panty and I clean up. You know them way there? Yeah. Now I try style of that team, just I keep it real. And that's just me. You feel me? I mean name my name, you know. Yeah, so I get it. Like Jamaicans love them on TikTok. Like, look on these 4 people, 4 big men. I know some of them man have kids, like, just dep on TikTok. Them not have a sensible conversation. Them not do nothing. Them just dep on the I guess live. And all them I say is taps and roses. Give me a bracelet. Give me a rose. Give me a money gun. Give me a lion. That's all them I do. Some of them get it. Why them not go look at work as blam them would have so go look at work no drunk crow. You see me? I not get it. Listen to them conversation. Hear what them I say.
I think you abandoned me. I'm a file for abandonment. Abandoned.
Dog got twang. Dog say, I think you abandoned me.
Why you abandoned? Black princess. One and only black princess.
Yeah, as me I say, I not get it. Maybe I'm too old or maybe I'm too young for I don't know. But I know them man and me are the same age group or older. But yeah, me not get it at all. And me feel like say them would have better off, working right now, doing a 9 to 5 or even open up a business or something. Me not gonna assume still, but maybe them pon them day off and them just, you know, feel idle. But, man, I just say, yo, you need to go look at work, you understand? Go look at work, drunk.
Me say anything more, say anything come out of my mouth. Adapt me set. No boy can shut me up. No boy can program me. Me nah not done. Me done dead. My father dead when me was 6 months old.
Oh, the man, them nowadays you are born.
Yeah.
Them lazy, them don't want to work.
The woman them spoil them out. They look at
Them born spoil.
Like woman them a spoil
You know
them
what spoil
They
them?
drop them morals and about them a
You
do
know what
man
spoil
behavior,
them?
mind
You
man.
know what spoil them? Technology spoil up people. Technology.
What technology do to them?
They've got them getting the phone. What me technology to
Let me
them?
ask you.
Spoiling.
Because you know
Because them
what
they on phone.
Eh.
As you wake, you know, sweep up the yard, you know, water and gas.
So you think say woman cook nowadays?